Welcome to Paul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
Today we're going to make a pineapple smoothie. Why? Because, well, I want one. So I got my Ninja blender, and this is one of the things that I promised Amy that we're going to do when we got this. And, well, we haven't. So, shame on me. But today we're going to fix that. So, we got a whole pineapple, and I'm thinking, you know what? Sometimes you get a pineapple and make your own pineapple juice cheaper than you can buying it. And it's not that hard, but the problem is we don't have a juicer. And I'm not about to buy one either, because Amy and I really don't drink that much juice. We're diabetics, so it's not the greatest thing in the world for us to be having to begin with. But how hard is it to make a smoothie?
It's not.
And we know that Amy doesn't really like smoothies that much.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, you got me. She does. So I decided to make a smoothie and make Amy watch me drink it.
No.
Yeah, I got told. Alright, so that's one little pineapple, and I'm going to try to find Tajin, and it's probably up here, and I'm not going to be able to get to it. Yes, I will. Now, Tajin is an awesome spice. It is made for fruit, mostly, but you can use it for pretty much everything.
Yeah.
Now, this is totally not ready yet, but just so I can reduce things down enough so that we can go further, we're just going to
Blend that up.
blend it up a little bit, and then we're going to start adding a few more things. Somebody didn't clean.
Or forgot.
It's going to take a second. All right, good enough. Okay, you know what? We're going to pause this for now. We'll be right back. So in the meantime, let's hit the like, share, subscribe button, and we'll be right back. And we're back. And Amy was like really upset. He was like, well, but Amy kind of forgets that she wasn't the one who did dishes that day. It was me. Hey, Amy does a lot, so don't think that it's all on her. I actually do dishes too. But all right, so we're back. It's plugged in. So I'm just going to give this.
It's almost done. Doesn't take long at all.
Yeah, well, it's not done, but
That part, I mean.
that part is done. So now we got some bananas. If I want bananas, so
Get more.
get more. So not worried. Worst thing about bananas, they don't last very long. Alright, so now we got coconut milk yesterday. Yes, we did. We could just use regular milk if we wanted to.
Yeah,
That
we
would not
could
be a
have.
problem, but we're not going to. So if you have a nice blender, it's not a big deal to actually make some really nice things. All right, so now there's just one more thing to do, and that is
That's not ice.
I get told. It's early in the morning, guys. Give me a little break. And if you want this cold, you need some ice. So that's what we're going to do. This is really, really easy. And one of the points on here, this is a real kitchen. This isn't a production. There's nothing production value worthy here. It's just a real kitchen. I think that should be good enough. This is just a kitchen that you'd see anywhere else. Doing things that you can do yourself. You know, look for a ninja. This is the greatest thing in the world. Mm-hmm. Now, because we got ice in here, okay, so now we got one last thing. I bet you Amy forgot it.
Orange juice.
Yep. So we're almost done. First thing in the morning, and we want to give a nice little kick of some something healthy, flavorful. We're going to make sure this is all the way down, and now we're going to do it some more. One thing I neglect to do properly, max liquids, and I didn't even notice that. And this is, but I mean, it's fine. I'm not going to kill anything. Amy was thinking I was only going to give her a little bit. You know, it's got ice cubes and you kind of want to...
Need to do it more.
Yeah. And that's fine. But, you know, it is what it is. We'll get this. Alrighty.
That should be better.
That should be better, yeah.
If we were making a slushy, it wouldn't matter, but we're not. For the ice, right?
Yep. Those are my two, so let me get Amy a little taster. How is it?
Delicious.
Healthy, easy, and honestly, if you're going to go to a smoothie place,
You'd spend $10 on that.
at least. You
Yeah.
made this yourself, and we got
A lot left.
a lot left, so we're good. We're gonna have a good. This is a good start of your day. Mm-hmm. So, and you'd easily spend about $10 for that at any actual smoothie place.
Yeah.
Worth the money in gold. Promise you that. So please hit that like, share, subscribe. Visit our www.poulskitchen.com and look at all our recipes, our cookbooks that we have out. This is great. Let's make cooking great again. And until next time, let's make cooking great again.